Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Really quickly, I want to just talk to you guys about this unit that I got from Gorgius Hair, and she's absolutely gorgeous. Y'all, I've been shaking her and everything, so she's a little frizzy right now. But y'all, I've been wearing this hair for a few days now just because I wanted to test her out, and to be honest, I love this hair. Like, I love that they have this cool line going on. Let me show y'all the full. Yes, I love that they have this line going on basically with what they call 5-minute units. And it literally, I tested it. It took me 3 minutes and some change to put this unit on, and I even didn't break down my hair. I've gotten so many compliments on this wig, people asking me where I got it, and I was nervous because I haven't worn bangs in years. But y'all, this wig is such a throwback. It's giving me classy vibes. I'm gonna be showing you guys 2 installation moments. The first one is right out of the pack, and I was super excited to just try it on. The other one is literally me putting on the wig a few minutes ago, maybe 30 some minutes ago. I'm actually about to head out to go to lunch, so I just needed a really quick style, and this is perfect for fall. Like, I feel like it's one of those wigs for sure that I would need to wear with certain outfits, with certain things, and I feel like this top was perfect to pair. It is not that cold outside, but it's giving fall vibes. And okay, so y'all might miss me with the lace fronts. Y'all might miss me a little bit with the bust down middle parts, because this bang wig is giving everything. She's giving everything I need. She looks really good. I could go out to the club and relax without sweating out no glue, no lace, no nothing. But the best part, y'all, is look, it's got a little fake scalp moment going on in the center. Like, our throwback wigs, let me tell you something. Back in my day, our wigs were not structured with that in mind. Like, you knew, but this just, it's giving, did she cut her hair? Or does she have bangs again? Or is this a wig? Like, I really love this unit. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. All right, y'all, so take one. This is basically me getting the package. I was so nervous, fingers crossed, because my hair looked a mess, y'all. So I'm praying right now to the hair gods that they bless me with a unit, and I'm just going in like full speed. So I'm brushing my hair back, y'all. If you are a part of the natural community, you know what this struggle is about. I'm trying for dear life to try to get this as flat as possible without the braid down, without blowing out my hair, all the extra steps they want us to do. Child, look, this is it. This is what we're gonna get. I was content. Look, all right, cool. So then I'm going in with a bristle brush just to try to push back my baby hairs a little bit. I love, again, that this style has no edges, no nothing. So I didn't even worry about going in with any edge control. But honey, when I saw this, I just knew God was looking out for me, okay? Gorgius Hair, y'all knew what y'all was doing. It came with a kit with everything you needed to install this unit, which I think is so bomb, again, considering they know your lace ain't gonna show. But they still came through. Look at this install. Look at the construction of this unit. I'm just gonna go ahead in with my basics. Y'all know the even tint lace, and I'm going in, even though there's not much lace, I'm going to tint the little bit of lace that we have in the middle, give my effect the truest effect, and I'm throwing the wig on just like that, y'all. This is how it looks straight out the box, doing a little twirl test, flipping it back and forth, getting the bangs to sit how I wanted it to. When I first threw this wig on, I was a little afraid. I'm not even gonna lie to you, because the bangs are long. So either you love or hate long bangs. But for me, sis, this was literally a throw out of the box, put it on my head wig. Like, I love long bangs. So I'm just gonna go in with some heat just to make sure the hair is straight. Right now, I'm doing a heat test. Y'all, I was so scared. But she good though. So we kept going all over, and I went in about 300 to 350 heat just to be safe. So this is pretty much how the hair is turning out so far, guys, and I realized I love it, and I decided to go ahead and install it another day with a full face of makeup just to see how it would look. So this is the before. Let's slide on into the second install. So just some deets on this hair. I was sent the Gorgius Rectangular Scalp Swiss HD lace. This is a Yaki Straight Bob Wig, and it is 14 inches. I got it in the natural color and kept it as such. This is literally the perfect 5-minute wig. You literally can just put it on and go, straighten it if need be, sis. It is literally perfect for the fall and vacation, especially if you need a quick wig to throw in your bag. But just in case, this is my emergency wig, okay? I love that it has the HD top, perfect for that more realistic touch. It is 100% human hair. So at this point, y'all, I'm just trying to perfect the look that I'm going for today. The bougie mom picking up her kids from school, going to a little YMCA meeting, you know, I don't know, looking cute, PTA, all the above, the EMCA, ABCD. Look, the wig is cute. She could take her anywhere, she could go everywhere. I feel like Dr. Seuss right now. But you get the point. Thank you so much to Gorgius Hair for sending over this unit. Definitely check them out, guys. This is going to be my go-to wig for the fall. It absolutely is gorgeous, and I love how easy it is. It makes me feel like a model. Easy breezy, beautiful. Let me stop. All right. Make sure you tune into my Instagram to see the final look of how I style this unit, and I'll be sure to tag the hair specs down below.